As they go further into the catacombs, Montresor gives Fortunato many chances to turn back. It should be back. But he declines them all. So the first thing let's do is change the word to back. I'm going to highlight it in red. So this is, okay. And I will highlight that. Right. Next one. So it says, as they go, it should be farther instead of further. So farther means as far as a direction. Further is like furthermore, meaning in addition to, or explanation, transitioning, but this means for direction. Let's go through here, highlight it red. As they go further into the catacombs, comma, Montresor gives Fortunato many chances to turn back. I'm going to put a comma here because that's a full sentence, but he declines them all as a full sentence. So we have two sentences completely together, combined by conjunction. So we're going to put a comma there. He declines them all, but we don't know who he is. So we're going to change he to Fortunato. So I'm going to cut and paste this. And I'm going to highlight this red. Done. That's all the mistakes for that one. Number 2. 50 years later, Montresor is still haunted by his crime. All we need to do is change the word 50 and spell it out, because numbers 1 through 20, you can put as a number, but if we're talking about years, we're going to always spell them out. So 50, capital I, because it's the beginning. So we're going to always spell out years, 50. And I'm going to highlight that, red. Done. Okay, day 5. The setting of the catacombs contribute to the horror of the story. So we have one thing here, the setting, because it's the setting of the catacombs contribute. So setting is one. So we're going to say contributes because we're going to take out we're going to add an S because it's subject verb agreement. If we have one, we have to make the verb one. And again, verbs that are singular have an S, which is so different than anything else we know. So put an S there. And the next one, the gloomy underground setting contrasts sharp with the joyous carnival setting. Well, sharp is an adverb. It is describing the contrast. So we have to say sharply and change it to an adverb. So it's modifying the adjective. So we're going to highlight that in red. Once you are done, you can turn this in.